Welcome back to After Six Cocktails. Today we are making the Beauty Beneath. Don't know how it got its name. Maybe it's related to describing how mermaids are normally depicted as being conventionally beautiful and they live underwater, so maybe that's it. I don't know. I'm not much in the believer of myths personally. But hopefully this is a good cocktail, so let's make this. It calls for aged. I'm using a good old Plantation 5-year from Barbados. Campari. Yeah, my Campari bottle has seen better days. The thing about Campari is that this bottle specifically loves to leak. Triple sec, I'm using Cointreau, and sweet vermouth. That's not a common. I usually see vermouth when one of the main ingredients is rum. So, let's make this shiz. Dash of Angostura bitters. Half an ounce of triple sec. Half an ounce of Campari. It's hard to tell what Campari is, like to classify it. It's not an Amaro per se. No, Campari is Campari. That's the best way I can explain Campari, is that it is itself. A close relative of Campari is Aperol, or Aperol. They're very similar in taste, except Campari is more bitter. Sweet vermouth. Half an ounce. And 2 ounces of rum. Two ounces of aged rum. Now we got to put some ice in the glass. Yeah, it has no citrus juice, but shake this. It is fairly visually pleasing. Campari. Another way to interpret the phrase "the beauty beneath" could also mean like someone's personality, for example. I don't like this one. It's this Campari. There's too much Campari. It starts sweet. It starts fairly sweet, but then you get all that Campari in the finish. I don't like it. If you love Campari, drink this. If you don't, I would suggest trying something else. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.